Hello all. This is Dr. Anjali Srivastava, retired zoology professor, Jamshedpur Women's University. Welcome to my channel Adarsh Lay, a free online learning and career guidance channel for BSc, MSc, all competitive exams for zoology and environmental studies. Also biology for higher classes. Now we are looking into animal behavior syllabus for MSc 4th semester. We have already discussed 5 videos of this topic. To understand well the topics, please go through those. Today's topic is spatial latent observational learning as per Thorp's classification, 1963. Thorpe broadly classified learning behavior into categories, restricted and flexible. Restricted learning is improvised innate learning. Flexible learning includes non-associative and associative learning. Associated learning is conditioned learning or conditioning, that is of 3 major types: classical, operant and latent. Observational. First 2 types we have duly done. Classical conditioning referred to association of unconditional stimulus with conditional stimulus and observation of unconditional response. Operant or instrumental conditioning is associated with consequences. This behavior was explained using various instruments like Pavlov's salivational observing instrument, Skinner's box, Thorndike's box, etc. Latent observational learning is exploratory learning with no obvious reward, passive learning, that helps animal to learn or observe about its surroundings. It appears not necessarily at learning period but appears later in situations where it is needed. It was much explained by Tolman with his maze and rats behavior with and without reinforcement in 1930. Later Tinbergen, Kohler and other ethologists experimented variously on digger wasp, chimpanzees, pigeons to explain this behavior. Bandura and Jeffrey 1973 explained 4 elements of observational learning as attention, retention, motor reproduction and motivation. Attention refers to observe and recognize the objects. Retention is the cognitive mapping in brain's different points of hippocampus related to sensory organs. Reproduction is motor nerve expression and motivation is to act accordingly. There are several examples of latent spatial or observational learning in day-to-day behaviors of animal and human. Nico Tinbergen studied this spatial learning of digger wasps with pine cones helping in finding its nest location. Kohler studied on chimpanzees to solve the issue of getting bananas from heights. Various other types of observational learning behavior were explained after Thorpe by different behaviorists, which I will explain in next video. Basic difference between latent and observational behavior was explained by Bandura and others as later is associated with reinforcement. Tolman with his experiment with rats first studied the behavior as operant conditioning. Later he removed the food at entrance of maze and observed slow path-finding process of the rat, but no sooner he reinforced with food at entrance, the process fastened. Tinbergen used pine cones as landmarks for digger wasp's home findings. While returning to its nest, when these cones were misplaced, wasp reached that new place instead of its nest. Such and many more exploratory behaviors were experimentally explained by many behaviorists. The researches and observations are still going on. We will see various types of observational behavior next. To get this video explained in Hindi and to get the notes, come to my channel Adarsh Lay. Do like, share, subscribe and comment in chat box. Hit the bell to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.